13/11/2016-17, we received a complaint from Nilesh Jagdish Maran, residents of Bhopal, that someone committed the theft of his mobile cell phone. Accordingly, we registered the crime and started our inquiry. During the inquiry, we came to know that one person, Mahadev Patil, who was a history sheeter in many theft cases before in Margao town and mostly in South District, had committed the theft. So accordingly, we tried to trace him and we detained him on the platform, railway platform, and brought him at the police station and arrested him. So, and we recovered the mobile phone. So now our investigation is on and we are trying to remove more information from him regarding the theft cases in South districts and all over. He had committed more than 100 thefts.
As a remand we get.
Yes, today we will take the remand.